that some of the oldest living cultures in the world. The trousers portray the Aboriginal art that is renowned in the world and the foundation of our country. The boomerang in the hand is the weapon Aboriginal skills for hunting. The colors of the jacket depict the colors of national Australian flag, and the intricate design represent the beautiful flora and fauna this country offers. The veil has been designed to represent the colors of our 7 states and their government symbols. As Arthur Pleasant raises his hands, he reminds us of our world's largest fence that is longer than the Great Wall of China. The crown signifies the famous landmark of Australia, Opera House. The lightning throughout the costume represents the world-famous New Year's Eve fireworks at the Sydney Harbour. Man of the World, Australia. Man of the World, Brazil. Kayapi Warrior. Indigenous warrior protector against hunting, fishing and hunting indiscriminately. An inhabitant of the Amazon. It is one of the largest biomes on the planet, possessing and sheltering a rich biodiversity of fauna and flora. Its main activities include hunting, fishing, and farming. Kayapo Warrior, guardian of the greatest natural treasure on planet Earth. Man of the World, Brazil. Cambodia. The meaning of the national costume, first son of the ocean Naga. He had the power of the fire element with the energy of water and fire, helping support the cultural center of Cambodia, as well as the capacity of the people fishing and to expand the land. Man of the World, Cambodia. Man of the World, Colombia. Name of the typical costume, Amazon Lot of the World. This suit, designed by the Colombian artisan Nicolas Duran, made in the cross-woven technique, made with seeds, made from recyclable materials. This creation shows the fauna and flora of the Amazon, Department of Colombia, which is home to the largest number of animal species and forestry. The colors of the suit allude to the Colombian flag, and her feathers, he wears an emerald gemstone from his beautiful country. With his suit, Colombia wants to make a call to raise awareness and take care of nature. Man of the World, Colombia. Man of the World, Côte d'Ivoire. Here born dreams, representing the West African agriculture. This royal garment, paired with the white gold and accessories, are symbols of nobility and prestige. Silesian region. Blue Eagle is Moravian region, which the region where it came from. And Mayan is Mediterranean region, and all the deities are man-made. Man of the world, Czech Republic. Man of the world, Dominican Republic. The king of the beaches, with the burning Arabian sun, which as the protagonist came to perch on his head. The infinite golden sand that rests lying drawing its banks, and the crystal clear turquoise blue waters turned into the waves that cover his body. The king of all the beaches of our beautiful island pays a well-deserved tribute to the incomparable beauty of the Dominican beaches, recognized among the best in the world. The color palette chosen by its creator, the Dominican designer Cesar Munoz, defines its concept, transporting us to them to celebrate the blessing of his inexhaustible natural resource, so precious and enjoyed by natives and foreigners. Man of the world, Dominican Republic. The world, Ecuador. The suit designed by engineer Gabriel Nunez from Ambateño represents the biodiversity of the Ecuadorian Amazon. Made in animal print, it symbolizes the Amazonian felines and the ancestral warriors of the region. These warriors are represented with the traditional trumpet spear and wear masks of typical jungle animals in their hands and back. This enigmatic warrior embodies ancestral tribes that still live rooted in the heart of the Amazon, highlighting their deep connection with nature and their cultural legacy. Man of the world, Ecuador. Man of the world, Eritrea. Eritrean lion, the national costume. This stunning Eritrean national costume captures the essence of the lion, a symbol of strength, courage, royalty, and resilience, deeply embedded in Eritrean culture and history. The costume is designed to represent a majestic presence and noble spirit of the lion, integral to the Eritrean identity. Man of the world, Eritrea. The world France is paying homage to the famous French designer Jean-Paul Gaultier, who popularized and made his French sailor uniform elevated into high fashion, as Paris, France is considered one of the fashion capitals of the world. This striped shirt has become the symbol in French navy, and the number of stripes was considered as reminiscent of Napoleon's victories. Man of the world, France. Man of the world, India. The jewel of Muslim art in India, and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage, the Taj Mahal, which is the second wonder of the world. This national bird represents strength and power, and its feathers symbolize immortality and immunity to evil. The white peacock universal beauties of India, Aishwarya Rai, Miss World, Sushmita Sen, first Miss Universe, and the Chikurana, First Family World, Lara Dutta, Miss Universe, Priyanka Chopra, Miss World. This national costume will bring you to the Center of Arts and Culture of India.